Kanos ani nahitabo ning headache, pressure, chest tightness, sugod.
Last week manggit kay save ko anog junk food tapos gabi na ko huwag katulog.
Mo di ay. Munang kwan recipe sa imong disaster. Mga risk factors na kwan no. Stress, bad diet, then puyat, then too much sodium intake.
So, the real problem is inside. Your circulatory system carries blood and oxygen everywhere. If too much pressure is applied or it is blocked, your whole body will suffer.
Hypertension, high blood pressure, silent enemy caused by stress, sodium, and unhealthy habits.
Atherosclerosis, a plaque buildup that narrows your arteries. Oh!
Sakit ang ulo, side kay chest pain.
Classic symptoms, ng lawas kay gahatag kwan warnings.
Imagine your arteries like this hallway. If it's free, blood flows smoothly. That's atherosclerosis, narrowed arteries. Imagine this hallway during a fire drill.
Hey, Jalil.
Hi.
Here, hydrate and get better, okay?
Okay.
Hey, move more, manage your stress, and your heart will thank you.
左顾右盼，像个小孩，此刻心跳你明不明白？没了节拍，你走了过来，太好看，连一刻都无法从你身上移开。为你我拼命耍帅，为你我不再等待。 为你抛弃任何事情，只求你爱。For you。